TikTok just leveled up its music game with SoundCloud integration, and it's changing how you discover and save songs. From viral hits to Taylor Swift's comeback, stick around to see why TikTok is the ultimate music discovery app. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for tech and trends. If you're obsessed with music and tech like we are, hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for the latest updates. Let's jump into why TikTok's music game is stronger than ever. TikTok isn't just for dance challenges or funny skits anymore. It's a music powerhouse. For over 5 years, this app has launched songs to the top of the charts, turning new tracks into viral hits and bringing old ones back to life. From pop to hip-hop, artists like Taylor Swift and rising stars are using TikTok to create moments that millions can't stop vibing to. Musicians and labels even craft TikTok-specific strategies to make songs blow up. Remember when Taylor Swift's music vanished from TikTok last year? Fans went wild when Universal Music Group pulled their catalog, but Swift's songs made a huge comeback after a deal was struck. It just shows even global superstars need TikTok to stay on top. And get this, TikTok launched a Billboard TikTok Top 50 chart to track trending songs, though it quietly disappeared earlier this year. But the real game changer? TikTok's Add to Music app feature. Here's where it gets exciting. TikTok's Add to Music app feature lets you save songs you discover straight to Spotify, Apple Music, and now SoundCloud. That's right, TikTok just rolled out SoundCloud integration globally, so you can save that viral track you're obsessed with in seconds. According to TikTok, users have saved songs over 1 billion times already. Whether you're building playlists or discovering new artists, this feature makes TikTok your go-to music hub. Want to try it? Open TikTok, find a song in a video, and tap Add to Music app to save it to Spotify, Apple Music, or SoundCloud. It's that easy. For the full scoop on TikTok's music revolution, check out our detailed article on GadInsider.com. Link in description. TikTok is reshaping how we find and share music, and with SoundCloud on board, 2025 is looking huge. What's your favorite song you discovered on TikTok? Drop it in the comments and let's start a vibe. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay in the loop with GadInsider for more tech and music news.